Hello everybody, I'm Kabir Bajaj from the Stupid Laugh. Today I have a 3D pen with me. I bought it from Amazon. Now let me do the unboxing of it. I have cut the tape from here. So these are the filaments of the 3D pen. They have given a red color, purple and white. And I am taking them off because they are attached with a tape on the box. Now I am done. I'll open the box. Here it is written 3D printing pen. See, this is how our 3D pen looks. This is our 3D pen. And this is a charger. We can put it, and there is a place to attach it on the 3D pen also. This is the stand. There are some extra filaments. This pen is of average plastic quality, but in seeing it's very beautiful. This is a filament. It seems to be made of plastic, but on the sticker it's written PLA, but I don't know what is the meaning of PLA. These are the buttons of the 3D pen. This button is for when we put the filament here, we press this button, hold the filament in one hand. When we press this button while holding it in the loading point, the filament goes inside and starts melting, then we can make it. And when we press this button, the filament gets unloaded. And this is a speed controller button, so we can adjust the speed with this controller. These are the temperature controlling buttons. When we press the button on which an arrow is made, it is facing upwards. So that is for increasing the temperature, and the other button here only, that is for decreasing the temperature. Here we put the charger, and here we load the filaments. And here, this is the nozzle from where it comes. This seems an average product by its quality. We'll know how it is when we test it. It seems it is a Chinese product. I will confirm it. It is a Chinese product because on the bottom and in the box also somewhere they have written in Chinese. So I think it is a Chinese product. So this is all for our unboxing today. In the next video we'll do the testing, and I hope you like this video. When we do the testing, we'll see how it works. Bye! Okay guys!
So these are the filaments. Here
they have given written some photos.
Written some photos.
This pen seems that it.
I don't know. आप क्यों बंद होती हैं आप पे? चलो बोलो.
First time cube and my second time cube. I think I'll get better by time.